back into the swing of things out here. Hello, friends. I do say friends. If you've stuck around this long on my YouTube channel and followed my adventures out painting and my travels and everything, I appreciate you sticking around. I know it's been a minute since I've posted anything up, but today I'm getting out. It's January 30th. Supposed to maybe even get some snow today. I'm up here on the Tellico River in East Tennessee, which is a beautiful spot to come and paint. Yeah, I was pretty busy over the holidays and just didn't have time to get out paint. Matter of fact, it's been 2 months since I've been out to paint, which I think is the longest I've ever gone without painting. So let's drive up here and see what I can find along the river. Of course, the main attraction is Bald River Falls. I always kind of avoid it because it is the main attraction. I kind of always try to find the off the beaten path kind of places to paint. This is so beautiful right here where I'm driving through right now. Wow. You can't see it obviously. But yeah, if you're ever in East Tennessee, definitely do not miss driving up along the Tellico River. One of the reasons I didn't get out and paint is my wife and I went to Paris right at the first of the year to go see the John Singer Sargent exhibition at the Musée d'Orsay. It was totally worth the trip. First time to Paris. So if you'd like to see a little bit of my wanderings around Paris in the winter, snow in Paris, we were treated with that. It was beautiful. I do have a video, so you can look back on my videos and find it. It's my last one that I just posted. Okay, I had to move on from Bald River Falls. The sun, I was afraid of this happening. The sun was directly behind the falls, so the light was just not quite right at all. So I've painted this falls before, and I think I'm going to try to do one real quick here, and then maybe by the time I get it done, I'll get back down to the falls, Bald River Falls. The sun will be moved out, and I can have a little better light. So let's try that. Okay, real quick refresher on my colors. It is titanium white alkyd, cadmium yellow light, coral orange, which is an Old Holland color that I just recently started using, cadmium red light, alizarin crimson, burnt sienna, ultramarine blue, and cerulean blue. And 9x12 oil prime linen panel, and gonna be shooting for this subject right here. All right, well, I apologize. I thought I had the camera started. I just looked and seen that I guess it didn't start. I'm just in the block-in stage right now. This is just pure white that they're holding back. I use my palette knife to kind of Sorry about that. Hit the tripod. All right, my first painting of 2026, finally. A 9x12 of this falls here on the Tellico River in East Tennessee. All right, this wraps up that painting there of Bald River Falls, the 9x12. So I think that's it for today. I only brought 2 canvases with me, so good way for me to get back into the swing of things out here painting and the beautiful areas I live in. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope to have one back up here for y'all pretty soon.